Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a dupe video. So this is going to be a dupe, as you saw on the title, a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this is the shade chocolate. So before I start, can you tell which one is the luxury? Is it this one or is it this one? Pause the video and comment down below, what do you think? Which one is it? We'll go ahead and watch the video and see which one, if you're correct or no. So is it left or right? Right, so if you say it's the left side, that's luxury, then you're wrong. Actually the right side. So if you got that right, nice one, good job. If you didn't, it's okay. That means this is a good dupe, right? I'll show you guys. I have been using it. Started working, my shift is like 12 hours a day. Wear makeup, I gotta make sure it sticks in there, right? Or else it's gonna look terrible on my face. But anyways, I've tried this, not just because I started working, but because I want to try and see which one is the best dupe for the Anastasia. Let me show you which one. The product that I'm talking about, this dupe, is, my camera doesn't want to focus, so I'm just gonna put a picture. So this is a Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio brow pomade in shade 376 medium brown. I'm gonna wear both today. This is gonna be the dupe and this is gonna be the original. So for the Anastasia, it's gonna be chocolate shade. If you look at the light, they don't look the same, right? For this one, so this is more clay type, clay like. So much for me, okay, I feel like this is more dry, a little more dry. And then this one, the Anastasia, is a lot softer. On my swatches it looks the same, right? But they were in the pot, it kind of looks different. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the Anastasia on this side. I'm gonna use a different brush. I'm gonna dip a little bit because this is very pigmented and I've tried it like a lot of times already. And since we're only gonna use it in one side, I don't want to overdo it. So it's always nice to do it a little bit at first rather than too much, because it's kind of hard to fix when it's kind of hard to fix something that's, you know, already too much. It's so much easier to just have a little bit and just put some more later on. So Anastasia is really good because it's very pigmented and stays really long time. Like even if I fall asleep with it, the next day I would still see it and be like, wow, it's still there. Like if you don't wash your face, I'm pretty sure this Anastasia will still be there. And you don't need to retouch it because it's waterproof. Well, the Tattoo Studio Maybelline is also the same thing. It is also waterproof. So I think among everything that I've tried, store brow pomade, this is actually the one that was really close to Anastasia. I do like using the Morphe M413. So this is the one to have a really good stiffness to it, and like super easy to do my eyebrows when I use this. I made this super thick, but don't worry because It's really easy to fix that. I'll show you guys today how to fix it. Grab a concealer. You can use the same brush. Well, you shouldn't. I should say you shouldn't. I will, just because you have to shape it the way you wanted it to. So if it's thick on this side, then fix it and make it a little thinner. Actually, another tip is do your eyebrows before you put your eyeshadow. Why? Because if something like this, like fixing it, is, you know, is a big thing for you, then this is the most easiest way to fix it. And then what I do is just do that. So I haven't even put my foundation as well. So I do that. So as you can see, you just have to blend it out. If you see like a different color in there, it's okay, because later on we're gonna put foundation. I'm gonna finish this up and show you guys how it looks like. And also use a sponge to actually blend it out rather than a brush, whichever you feel like using. So sometimes I like to use the sponge because of this, like this kind of sponge. I think this is Eco Tools, and I like the fact that it has that side right there. So sometimes it's like so easy since you have that tail on the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna check in. So I just made a video after I did my eyebrows. So as you can see, it's still in there. It looks great. I want to show you guys that I'm gonna touch it. Let's see. It did a little bit on there, but if I look and like right here in front of me, I can't really see if I touched it. So even if you touched it, it doesn't budge. As long as it's dry already, it doesn't budge. So I want to show you guys that it is waterproof. Alright, I'm not gonna put too much. Here's the water, right here. It's just the water. Yeah. Luxury. See that? It's just like right there. And I'm pressing. Okay, so that's Anastasia, and this one is see, they're both waterproof. So I swatched it, as you saw. Let's try it over here. So it's amazing. It's really, really amazing. It's worth your money. But this is the reason why I did this video, is I want to show you that you don't really have to buy the Anastasia one. If you want to, if you can afford it, go right ahead. But if you're like a student or somebody who's just cheap like me, who loves dupes, you know, the drugstore makeup that actually works like a luxury, then you can save. This is after my 12-hour shift. So I had this yesterday. So it's way past 12 hours, you guys. And see my eyebrows. And this is... Oh, I didn't use the Anastasia. I used the Maybelline. I want to show you guys that it's still intact. I was sweaty, I was oily. If you like this video, and if you do, and if you want more of the dupe videos, let me know in the comment section. I do find out more dupes in the future, I will upload some more. And if you want to see a lot of like the dupe videos in the future, please do subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And if you do, make sure to give me a thumbs up. See you again on my next video. Bye bye guys.